Yo, good morning. Look at this shit. Oh, this shit is for sale too. Some auto center. Oh no!
My chair is a Subaru chair too, so.
I got crabs on mine.
Oh my god.
Maryland crab.
It's a Maryland crabs.
I don't.
Oh, I just noticed that, dude. Mopar. Yeah, I wonder what like normal people think. Like people who are not into cars. Like what do they think? I know. Like what's wrong with these people? Why do they like cars so much? Huh?
We need a banner too. Like,
Yeah.
I've seen them online that says "Welcome to our trunk or treat."
Yeah.
Somebody should be.
It's like I've been working with dogs so much. Like every time I see a dog, I try to guess the breed. Yeah. I want to touch it. It's like,
Oh, there's another Subi.
what? You're like 30 minutes late. Hi. I did not know you had tattoos.
Oh yeah, no, I just always wear it.
No, I mean, you still want it on.
Hey.
It's just a little extra back pressure. So.
Just a little.
It's trouble. Hey.
Hi.
Hey.
What up?
V-Tech. V-Tech.
Set it next to it. Come on. I can hate all day long as you staring at my taillights.
I don't care, win or lose, I'll do it. Trouble, man. Hi, Trouble. Oh, look, he don't know nobody.
Yeah.
Banana, fucking banana.
He was wearing a banana suit.
Dude, I can't believe they did that in H2O.
Yeah.
It was like just all a bunch of.
Yeah, I took. There's a crowd of banana suits. It was great.
That would scare me.
I would think I fucking took a hit of acid. Bunch of bananas walking around.
Dude, I wish I could have went there.
Yeah, that's all that matters.
Good dick. Dude, you're probably like, why are you recording me? There's somebody selling this GTR, dude. How?
He got rid of his car.
Oh, he made it quiet. It's recording?
Ah, there's another meet at 6 o'clock tomorrow.
Do it. He's fucking sick. What is he gonna do? I would love to be his neighbor. Gang, 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 gang. She don't believe in the V-Tech. V-Tech.
No, he had no change.
Hater.
Good job.
I think. you gotta be a creep? Hi.
There you go.
What's up? I don't know. Oh yeah. Shout out. What's up?
How you doing?
Nobody wants shout out. No, what?
No one wants shout out.
Shout out?
You didn't see that.
What?
You didn't see that. I'm mad.
What the fuck?
You didn't see what he just did.
No, just beat him. I didn't.
Maryland safety requirement.
Hold up. Damn it. It's fucking a minute. Well, I'm not the only Honda here, which is good. Sexy thing. There was another dude that was here. He had like a Mustang or something. I think he left. He messed up my
You messed up, AA Rod.
He messed up my shot.
Aaron Rodgers.
Go to Oceana's home.
Daytona.
Charger sitting in a bar.
A Toyota Supra.
Or a Toyota Supra.
With the
two JZs still sitting in it.
Two JZs sitting in it, under the engine, under the hood.
And it's still everything.
It can still be
Banana.
I'm a pig. My mullet. I'm driving a third gen.
Banana.
That's my mullet. I'm driving a third gen.
Here, let's switch cars.
Banana.
How long you been up there?
Up where?
Up there.
Not that long. Been here like 5.
I didn't see you. Get the banana here. I'm scared. I'm really scared.
Oh, he took it off. Damn it.
What? Good. No, I don't want to get out of here.
You nutcake. Where the hell was he?
Going to the place.
Fuji, Fiji, whatever.
I don't know. I want to go to
I agree.
Where the hell are you guys going?
Figure this shit out, son.
Are y'all going to Panda?
Nobody wants
Oh.
to panda.
Alright.
Bye.
Alright, let me see.
Bye. V-Tech, no tech. Drive safe.
Hey, like I said, anytime you want to look at the taillights of this monster, just let
Okay, I'm slow. I'll go.
y'all going to Fuji?
Alright, so we're going to eat. I don't know if I'm going to get something to eat or not because my stomach is still fucked up. I'm just going to support. We're going to... What the fuck? We're going to this place called Fuji's. What the fuck is that? Somebody's like revving their engine. Yeah, so I'm following the homie. You can see that. So yeah. I'm out, pay attention to the road because Maryland people can't drive. Right here, he doesn't understand vlog life. Vlog is life, okay? So we're here. Sexy man.
That sounds fun. No.
Look at him. Look at him. Oh! He's so mean to me.
That sounds fun. No, it's scary as shit. I did it at 40.
Fucking vlog and shit.
They say this is a big rich town, but I live in the poorest part. I know I'm on a dead end street in a city without a heart.
Wait a second. I can't. What the? Hold on. I never seen so much Arizona or green tea. And it just keeps going. Yo, what's up? It's like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's 4:44. But just came in, saw that little motherfucker that did damage to my fucking car. Sitting up there looking at me and shit. But anyway, just got in, had a great time with the car fam. They're pretty much fucking family now, but I go to like every one of their meets. Like I said, I support people who are humble and down to earth.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.